Hello everyone, good afternoon. Kaisar Mustafa, Pakistani American News Channel. Please like, subscribe and comment on my videos, and also to become a member of Pakistani American News Channel, click on thanks. Ban on Pakistani airlines going to Europe. Is domestic air safety not in accordance with international norms? Pakistani airlines have been banned from flying to Europe for the past few years, and currently there is no change, as the latest development is the European Union's Air Safety Committee report banning Pakistani airlines from flying to Europe has been maintained. This means that currently Pakistani airlines cannot fly to Europe. The country's state-owned Pakistan Airlines PIA is the only one affected by the ban, as other Pakistani airlines had no service to Europe before the ban. PIA was the only airline operating from Pakistan in Europe. The role of the Civil Aviation Authority CAA of Pakistan was reviewed by the European Union Committee, which looked at security aspects and related issues in air travel. Although the European Union Committee expressed satisfaction with some of the CAA measures, concerns were expressed over some aspects, after which it was decided to uphold the decision to ban Pakistan Airlines from operating in Europe will remain. Stay tuned. Keep watching Pakistani American News Channel.